What's up, all gang? It's your man Onyx, and I'm back today with another game, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I was actually playing this game with a couple of my friends, and honestly, we had a great time. It's not a scary game, but in its own sense, it is kind of scary. But if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and make sure to leave a like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, kick back, relax, enjoy some snacks, and enjoy the video. Peace.
I should have recorded that last game on OBS.
Discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play.
Yeah, I'll just use that for color.
What did you say about that?
So there's I'm pretty sure it's on the Xbox too. Let's say if you wanted to clip something, right? You could just clip it, like clip last 20 minutes or so, right? So for this game, it doesn't pick up everyone's voice; it only picks up mine. But for COD, it'll pick up everyone's voice, which is weird.
Oh, weird.
Yeah.
What are they doing? To fight
Alright.
the others.
Alright, so the doors is around here. I need to find at least our crouch speed is kind of fast. Oh, perfect. Oh no, I thought it was a toolbox. I'm just trying not to wake Grandpa up right now.
Human, isn't it?
For real. I can hear Leatherface.
Yeah, he's around here somewhere. Oh. Yeah, he's close by me. Trying to find a toolbox though. Oh, I think I found one.
Oh my god.
Yep, I got one. Who getting killed?
Somebody, man.
Oh man, woke up Grandpa.
This'll help.
Alright.
We never should have come here. Thank God.
Alright. I'm outside.
How the fuck did you get out there?
You just gotta find a toolbox and it'll give you a tool and you can pick the locks with it. I gotta find a way.
Oh wait, I'm outside too.
You're outside? Okay. Now we just gotta find another toolbox to unlock the door and then we can escape.
Where's this go?
Bro, what? This dude already escaped? Oh, escaped the slaughterhouse, not the family. I was about to say, ain't no way.
Fuck did he already escape? What?
Wait, did he escape the slaughterhouse or did he escape the family? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Requires unlock tool. Okay. Yeah, so I gotta find I gotta find a locking tool. You know what? Is there one in here? There's gotta be one in the garage. Nope. Not a single one. Is that you? Saying you need something to help the pain?
Breaking the shit? No, that's this fucking guy right by me.
Oh. I gotta. There's no toolbox around here?
Can I use that?
That's health. As long as we don't get hurt, we should be fine. Cause then they can't really beat Grandpa.
But
Is anything I can use?
Damn, those chips must be busting.
oh fuck.
Is he by you?
Oh fuck. Yeah, he didn't see me though. Oh my god.
Oh, it's all good then. Yeah, if he doesn't see you, you should be straight. Okay, so I came from there.
I don't know how he didn't see me. Oh fuck. Holy fuck, you just walked right past me again!
Hey, what's this?
Alright, I got a valve handle. I need this.
Oh my god, they're all running by me. That's so crazy.
Just try to stay alive.
Oh, nice.
I gotta find out where to put this valve up. Oh, right here. Yeah, I gotta use it for this, right? Overload pressure valve to open. Okay. How do I do that? I have the valve. Oh, is it this one? No, no, it's not. Great. I'm right by Grandpa. I should kill him. Shit, shit, shit.
Fuck.
Alright, I should have cleared them a little bit for you. If they're by you. Are they still by you?
What'd you say?
Are they still by you? No, Leatherface is by me now.
No, I made it outside. They're still inside, it seems like. It was
No.
the old guy and the young dude, the one that you were playing as last time.
Yeah. No, Leatherface is by me. Hey, do you see any pressure valves by you? Grandpa level 1 keeps the loop.
No, I'll check them in a second.
Because I have the handle.
But
It says, in order for me to open this gate, I have to open up this handle. Or, yeah, I need the handle to open up the gate.
How did this happen? How do people like this happen?
Shit, Leatherface is on me. Gotta dip up out of here for a little bit.
I don't see no valve.
No, yeah, I have the handle. I need, it's like a pressure tank. You know what those are? I got the
Yeah,
handle
I
for
seen
it.
it last game. We did it
Yeah.
last game, and like that's how we broke out, or how they broke out. But I don't see it over here. Somewhere
Yeah,
else
they're by me.
outside.
I gotta dip up out of here. Ah, fuck me.
Oh, you hear his chainsaw.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Johnny's tracking my fucking footprints. Alright.
You're gonna get out, okay? You will, Julie.
Oh, it's over there. Okay, I know where I gotta go.
Oh, come on.
Trying to get to the other outer area right now. Making my way over.
Yeah. I know I can get out of here now. It's highlighted for me. I just gotta make it over there. Wait, is it downstairs? I gotta go to the well. Fuck me, man. Alright, I think I know where I gotta go now.
Shit,
Alright.
somebody's by me.
Yeah, somebody's by me too.
Oh, fuck.
Is that you?
This dude found me. He found me.
Alright, I'm downstairs. Damn. Get up, bitch. Alright. I don't have bone scrub?
What'd you say?
No, I'm talking to myself.
Oh, I'm bad.
You know what? That's fine. Alright, I'm about to overload the shit.
But trying to sneak back through again.
How do we get out of here?
Oh, motherfuck.
I think somebody's bugging me. Now I gotta figure out a way out of here.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Dear God. What's through here?
You think I'm near you?
The exit is
You
open.
sure?
No, don't come near me. Oh shit.
No, I said I think I am.
Fuck. Alright. Might head to the exit.
I have to find the others.
Who just talked? Was that you?
Yeah, the girl.
Yeah, follow me, follow me. Can you see me running?
I can hear you. Yeah, I can see you right now.
Yeah.
I see Leatherface out there though. Hold on.
Yeah, the exit's right there.
Is that the way out right
Yep,
there?
yep. This is the way out. Let's go! Did you make it? Is that you?
No.
Oh no!
Hold on. I'm gonna make it. Oh no.
The door
gate
closed!
Bro.
Run, yo!
I gotta find something for the pain.
You gotta get a valve.
I'm not
All right, go to your left. Go to your left.
Hold on.
This hurts.
Oh, fuck.
You gotta heal yourself too. All right, all right. I'm gonna guide you. Keep going straight. You ran into a dead end, I think. Yeah. Oh wait, yeah. Scoop through there. All right. Yeah. Oh, you healing yourself? All right, perfect.
Uh-huh.
All right, look. There's gonna be a valve, right? A valve cover. You gotta get that first. I'm gonna guide you. You're gonna go take that right. Yep, that right. Keep going. Jump that. Now go left. Keep going straight, go left. Keep going straight, go left. Take that right. Yep, right, right, right. Alright, left. You need that. Alright, now you gotta go back to where you just went.
I see where it's at. Yeah, it's highlighted.
You gotta go to a well. You remember that container you went into? There's gonna be a well right next to it. No, no, right, 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 right. Oh, you know what? Yeah, you go left. No, go back, go back, go back. You can go there.
Where?
Left, left.
Down, down?
Yep, down, down. Yep, that's it right there. Now the door's gonna be open. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
All
hear
right,
you.
cool. Just making sure.
I'm
My
nervous as
headset
fuck.
came out. There you good.
Oh, motherfucker, that's a dude right there.
Yeah. Go up, right there, right there. Good shit.
I can't get away. Think.
Yeah, that left. Jump that thing you just did last time. Johnny's right to your left, by the way.
Oh, shit.
Jump it back. He can't jump it. He can't jump it. Only Leatherface can break it. Take that.
What, this?
Go back the other way, because the other one's already open. That's the one I opened.
Hold on.
Alright, he's nowhere near you.
Back the way I can.
Don't be back.
Alright, the gate is open. Jump that
Oh,
thing.
gate's open. Yep.
You're gonna have to hurry, because they're gonna try to puppy guard it.
I think I lost
Cut through the grass. Yeah, their puppy guarding is so hard. Wow. I hope you got health. Oh, good shit. Hey.
Let's go.
Let's go. They're ass.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
I didn't think I was gonna get.
Bodies are reported as being in various states of mutilation.
You should have been Leland Nitro.
Witnesses are from packs of wandering
Yo, Leland be
wild
coming in
dogs,
clutch. I'm not even gonna hold you.
most likely to be rabid.
That move he got, like you could shoulder people, that should be coming in clutch.
Well, I thought Onyx was gonna be him, so I was like, fuck it, let me let him.
Nah, I'm always Julie. I'm always Julie.
I'm in the red room.
Who's with me? Oh, that's
Me,
Nitro.
I think. Or not.
The one who just landed on the ground. Like literally just landed. Oh, it's Nitro. Nitro's sunny. Alright, well, me and Nitro won.
What the hell's going on?
Do not open his door.
I found a toolbox. Yep, there it is. Good shit, Nitro. Where's the door at? Door's around here somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Listen, I'm only gonna take one. And you know what?
I'm doing both.
Goodbye. I need to open his door so that I could get the fuse, right? I get the fuse, jump out the window, you know?
Who's making all this noise? This is the damn chicken, bro.
Never.
Kill it.
Come here.
I don't have a bone scraper now. Bro, Nitro, how long does it take, my guy?
What do you mean I'm on my second one?
Second one, how many are you taking?
Hmm?
Ooh. That nigga coming though.
Yeah.
Run!
Who woke
I
up
don't
right
care.
now?
Me, I did. I closed it.
You
I
stupid
did.
motherfucker. God
Don't move,
damn.
don't move, don't move.
What do you mean? They already see that the door's open.
Where's the door at?
Be quiet.
Door's up there.
You hear him? Do you hear him? Go, Marie. If you can close that door. Come on, we gotta find the fuse box. Let me.
Yeah, y'all found a fuse box. I'm coming up in a
You're
little
gonna
bit.
get out, okay?
You don't need
Johnny's
to go.
coming upstairs.
Julie.
Who's coming upstairs?
Oof.
Alright, fuck you, you old bastard. Get on my face.
Bro, playing on Massacre is so weird. I can't wait to get this game on fucking P4.
Where I'm at?
Oh shit!
Alright, yeah, I got one too.
Oh! Help! 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 I'm dying! Alright. Appreciate y'all.
Please let me know. Thank you.
I will let you know. If only there was a way to ping. Yo, who making all that noise over there?
Me.
You
They
just
can't
don't
see you
care.
because it's still the cutscene. They can't see
Oh,
because the cutscene is happening.
that would have been nice to know.
We'll just wake up Grandpa faster, but
What the hell's going on? Oh god.
Who's Sunny?
Oh god.
you know who Sonny is.
And
Now you want to come back to the mic.
nigga, I said I was getting some food. Where'd you go? Oh, never mind.
Alright, I got a toolbox.
When I tell you he's by me,
I can hear Onyx now.
be careful, he's right here.
Yeah, no, I know. Is that you
No.
now?
Yeah, it's me. I wish you could drop stuff. I would have you look through there and get me another.
I think I lost them.
I got it. Can you see the door?
Don't you want to heal up?
No. But there is one in his bedroom.
Okay, walk away. That's
Alright,
fine.
bet. I'll just follow you to the door then.
I'm
He's
scared.
so
he's over here.
close, yeah.
Stop. He's right here.
Where the oh,
I see him.
Is he? Alright.
But
I did not mean to do
I'll just
that.
follow you.
I don't know where the red room is. Nitro, do you know where the red room is?
Nah.
Because we need to go out that way so I can get the fuse.
Oh, yo, he's right behind you, Murray. You gotta run.
Oh!
I got him. I got him all.
Oh, they
No!
opened the door.
No, he's still on me.
When did you guys say something?
Alright, nah, I'm right with you.
Come on, do this way.
Run.
Yeah, he's
Oh my God.
close.
Oh, that's Johnny. That's the brother.
Oh shit.
Run.
Oh!
I'm literally just looking at y'all get whacked.
Oh no. What the fuck?
I did not know he was down there, and I stand by it. If you are not Leatherface,
Is
and
anybody
you come
by the
down to the
door?
basement, you're just evil.
Is anybody by the door?
Are you dead?
Yo, who's coming through that crick?
Who's dead right now?
Is that you, Marie?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Johnny's on me! Johnny's on me!
Yeah, that's you, Marie.
Nature.
Alright, you got it though, Marie.
Nice one. No.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah, I got away, but bro, I fucking hate Johnny's big back. Fuck that. Alright, I'm about to open the. Oh, this is a fuse door.
Bro, where are y'all at? That dude came down.
Bruh,
Johnny
I'm
came
up
down here
there.
and everybody scattered like roaches when you turn on the lights.
I'm in the side garden tunnel.
I'm in East Town right now.
I'm opening the door.
Definitely no.
Climb, bitch, climb! Ow!
He's by me.
Oh, he's about to. Okay.
Is anybody upstairs?
Popping that bitch up. No, nigga, I'm still in the basement.
Yeah, they're all on. Oh, okay.
I'm
I
literally
ain't
an
bad
idiot
enough.
sandwich. Hello?
That's cool, man.
Alright, I told you where I was.
You didn't. Alright. Thank you for
Yes, I
communicating.
did.
Where did you say you were?
I said I was in the side garden, opening the door.
Who's this?
Oh, hey.
Hey, how you doing? If you can guide me to a door, I have something to open it.
Oh, God.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, my sissy is a killer.
Are you laughing?
No, I'm not gonna lie. It was fucking grandpa. Yeah.
Ah!
Help me!
Help me, nigga. I'm about to die.
Help you!
When I
Help
tell
me!
you, I'ma die. They got
I'm
the
about to
generator
die.
on.
Yeah. I'm
Somebody
dead.
come
I'm
outside,
dead.
please.
I'm dead. I'm
I
dead.
gotta
I'm
find me a
dead. Now
door
I'm dead.
first. I escaped from the basement? What? No, I didn't. I'm still
I don't
down
know
here.
how you did that.
You probably just opened the door.
What? Oh. Oh, I did. Did you escape through a ladder, Naya?
Good God! This
Yeah.
man is
Alright, yeah, I'm coming up.
relentless. Bro, this nigga is relentless. Yeah,
I
I'm
gotta
dead.
find like some potion.
Somebody help me. Can you turn off the generator while I got sissy distracted, please?
Yeah, I'm looking at a generator right now, but I don't have a valve. Do you have one?
No, you got the wrong thing.
Dang, Naya. Or Marie. I always get y'all mixed
You don't
up.
need nothing to turn the generator off.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's daytime
Yeah, it says
outside?
requires a
Go.
valve handle.
No, that's the fuse box. I mean, that's the pressure
Yeah.
tank.
Yeah.
You're the... I feel like you're the only one.
Please go outside and turn off this generator, please.
I gotta find a valve handle.
No, you don't need a valve handle.
Oh. All right. So where's the generator?
It's outside the front door. The front door is open.
The front door. All right. Well, I'm on the side of the house. Where are you at?
Onyx.
Yes, Naya.
Onyx.
Listen,
Onyx.
I'm outside.
the front door.
You are outside the front door. Okay, so why can't you turn it off? Because I'm outside, but on
Oh
the
my
side of the
gosh,
house.
Bro. Nothing.
You said the generator's outside the front door, right?
Yes.
Okay, listen, I'm on the side of the house. I'm not by the front door.
And I'm telling you, you know what? It doesn't matter, honestly. I'll
Okay.
just die. It's
No,
cool.
you don't have to die.
It's
All right, listen,
no,
listen.
It's cool. I'll
I'm
just
gonna
die.
make a full bolt to you. All right, listen, and then we'll just regroup and make a game plan from there. All right? Just stay there. Just stay there.
Oh god.
What happened? Did they turn it off? Not let them stand and guard
Standing guard where?
at the exit.
As long as you got eyes on them, that's good. How many are over there?
Sissy and Leatherface is by me. I don't know where the other one is.
All right, just stay there. Just keep eyes on them. I'm picking a lock to the front door right now.
You're gonna get out, okay? You will, Julie.
Girl, why are you talking?
Okay, it's open. Okay.
All right. I'm in the front. All right, listen. Now,
Okay.
where is the
Listen,
generator?
they're up front.
That's
It's
fine. That's
straight ahead.
The
Nitro, can
generator's
you guide
straight
him?
ahead?
But I think Leatherface saw you because he running
Yeah, it's like
that way.
kind of like behind the swing set. If you look at the swing set to your
fine.
left.
Swing set. To
Yeah,
my left. That one right there.
behind there. Yep.
All right.
Just
Who's
go
walking?
behind there. It's along the fence.
Who's walking? I hear footsteps.
Yeah, I think Leatherface saw you or something. I don't know.
But that's the thing. I don't see nobody near me.
Okay, then I guess you're fine. But they ran back towards the house.
Shit. Shit. Get
All
away.
right.
Okay, never mind. They're still here. They're still by me.
Here,
Okay,
right
where are
in the
you
bed.
at, Naya? Oh, okay.
I'm about
I
to
see
exit.
one. I see. Is that you running right now?
No,
No, I'm
that's
not
just
running.
All right. Well, I see somebody running. All right, Nitro, guide me. Guide me.
along the
After
fence
this.
to the right a little bit.
Along the fence to the right a little bit.
He sees you. Is that you
Should be there.
running?
No, I'm not running. I'm not. That's Leatherface running.
Unless
My health
it
is
might
low,
not be
though.
the fucking generator.
Okay. I see
Sometimes it's
nothing
not.
there. Did you just
The
get dropped,
generator's
Naya?
off. The generator's off. The generator's off.
So do I have to
Goodbye,
make a?
Goodbye.
Okay, I'm
Just
running.
run.
Oh shit! Yeah, run.
Somebody just turned it on.
Oh,
Somebody just turned it
nah.
on. Marie, did you see that?
Yo, somebody's puppy guarding.
They
this thing.
trapped Johnny on the other side with me.
Yo, I think Leatherface is running towards me right now. No way. No way you just made it out, Naya.
I had to leave. They trapped him on the other side of the gate with me. He was gonna kill me.
No,
He couldn't even
Oh,
turn off
shit.
the generator.
Bro, there's no way he knew I was there. There's no way he knew I was there. That's a wild. That's brutal. You didn't have to do me like that, bro. You really did not have to do me like that. Was he?
Where is everybody else at? Hello?
I'm here. What do you mean?
I only hear you. Where is Nitro?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh,
Yeah, relax.
he in the cutscene, so he's cutting somebody up right now. I've never spawned right there before, ever.
He's right behind me. This is so.
Oh, you can take
crazy.
those now?
Yeah.
Did not know that. Yeah, I'm just trying to learn something up here.
Does anybody got eyes on a door? Cause I'm right by a toolbox.
Yeah, I'm in the north tunnel right now, about to unlock this one.
Yo, these niggas are experts at the game.
Oh, never mind. That's the
It is
fucking.
wild.
Wait.
This nigga's a level 7. This shit is crazy.
I'm in tool storage.
I gotta.
Who was my teammate that was by me?
What's this?
I'm at shed basement.
Who's that right there? Yeah.
Me.
There's somebody else over here. Oh, who's unlocking the door? Who's Leland?
Me.
All right, we right by here. Whoever's behind me, come to me. Come to me.
Oh fuck.
Stay still, nigga.
I can literally see this nigga Leatherface.
How did this happen?
So what happens if you turn the valves on?
Get up that ladder. Get up the ladder. Get up the ladder, nigga.
I'll try. Go.
Ain't making it out. Y'all didn't tell me nothing.
Marie, I literally just said, whoever's behind me, we out. Did I not?
Nigga, and then I was trying to say stay still, and then.
All right, I got a
And
valve.
he-
I got a valve. Leland, where you at? That's Nitro, right? Nitro, where you at? I hear you.
Went around the back of the shed that we
Alright.
came out of.
I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Where's it at? Alright, I see you. I'm right behind you.
Alright, just follow me.
You gotta find that pressure valve.
What the hell is wrong?
I think I found it. It's right. Is that it? To the right? Right there by the well?
Yeah.
That's it? Alright, just watch me. Just watch
You're
me.
gonna get out, okay?
Make sure there's nobody by me.
Alright,
You will, Julie.
gotcha.
Do you know where the door is?
Negative. Naya.
I don't hear Naya at all.
I think this might be the. No, that's not the door.
That's because Naya's not in.
We gotta give it. We gotta give it a little bit.
Like Naya's not even in this chat. Oh, there she go.
Yeah, she was in here. I heard her talking earlier.
Yeah, she just joined back.
Hey guys.
Hey, how you doing?
Wow.
What's the fathead?
Naya, do you know where the door is?
For what?
To escape?
Pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
Pressure
I'm
door.
not. I don't know where y'all at.
We're out of the basement.
I think it's this way.
Onyx.
Hon.
I'm not in a game with you.
Her shit.
Where are you?
Oh, Sissy!
I'm not in a game with you guys.
Oh, my
no.
game just crashed. Can y'all hear me?
No, bro, Sissy is cheating, bro. I couldn't run at all. I couldn't run at all away from her.
Stop poison beating.
Yo, Nitro, the gate's open. Where you at? Oh,
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
I don't feel like it, so
I'm out of
not
here.
getting back home.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Come on, run, girl. I'm out of here. Yes, sir. I made it out.
Bro,
Marie, did you die?
I could not escape Sissy worth shit.
Honey,